Yeah, Lucky Luciano, Cage Records. I wanna take y'all on a trip to my side. Rock City, stand up. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Rock City, stand up, let's give it a tour through the streets. From the south to the west, from the north to the east, let's go. Real wings and razor sharks, rhinos in Maple Park, Amherst and tape and chalk. This what we know for, dog. Sports and blood and death, parks and drugs and sex. What is Rochester where they buried Frederick Douglass? Yes, they know that. Monroe County felons, liquor room and clubs and X. Money is spent on jewelry, 20s pretend on do me, 20s pretend they knew me. Get guns and attempt to do me. They spent hundreds of $1,000s like on a Boeing. They crashed the first time and went out, couldn't even float. Beware, you gotta understand, these streets ain't fair. Round here you lucky to make it through your teenage years. End up in Lake Ontario, or the Jenny or Hudson. Off the Shola Pier, Duran, the edge of the Stutson. Why we fighting for nothing, stop the fighting and bustin'. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Welcome to Monroe County, Rochester, New York. We don't never fall off point, we gotta stay sharp. It's never peace on these streets, so it never bores me, yo. The home of high falls, and the home of the war memorial. Full of more baby mama drama than the Maury show. In every corner there's a theme, but everyone has had a dream. And I be wondering these things to every one of us. It seems like we stuck in hell, on the block starving, no we stuck in jail. Know where to go, but don't got no bucks for bail. But we got such a tale, rich history, yo. From the underground roads to the Liberty Pole. You wanna walk through here alone, you take the chance for yourself. Most these cats will kill you for the circumstances they dealt. You wanna tangle with the devil, you can dance till you melt. Gun in the pants by the belt, the rock stands for itself. On the block we grind it, yes, we carry the work. Man, the rock is just a diamond that's been buried in dirt. I said the rock is just a diamond that's been buried in dirt. And we ride, and we ride, and we ride, and we ride. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Have you ever seen downtown light up at night? Probably not, but you see them fiends lighting up right. Guns light up the night. When we write, man, we write. But when we born, we still write. As far as I can see, it's all society, a product of an environment gone wrong. Civil order and decency has been long gone. Cause our government no longer cares about us. Murders every single day, but no one hears about us. The hardest city that you never heard of for real. You sure to get killed unless you learn to just chill. I wanna watch my city grow, watch the rock turn to pearls. From Fighting Village all the way down to Durham World. From Dewey all the way to the School of the Arts. From Midtown Plaza to Manhattan Square Park. Let's rebuild it from the ground up, that's food for the thought. Let's rebuild it from the ground up, that's food for the thought. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Welcome to Rochester, the home of the brave. Where we rock town, where we rock town, where we rock town, where we shot down. Come on! Rock City, Cage, stand up to this. My hometown anthem. Lucky Luciano. I got love for the streets. Love these streets, Rochester, Miami, West Side, all the way to the east, from the north to the south. Rock City, it's my hood. Rock City. I'll tell you like Breezy told me, man. Welcome to Rochester. We from Rochester, baby, with our pistols in our pockets. All bullshit aside, you better duck when I pop it. Motherfucker, come on. Everywhere. Put your hands up, Rochester. Piano. Signing out once you can't hold us down. Birdcage for life. 585 for life.